This video is about how to teach mathematics. Here there are two very important stages. The first is the preparatory stage and the second is the interactive stage. In the preparatory stage, you have to know what to teach and the students you have to teach the level. The next is to interact with the students in the classroom. Now, when it comes to the preparatory stage, you have to write out your lesson objectives. Do some research, read and find material that will teach. Select your teaching aids. After selecting the teaching aids, you now write out your teaching plan. Now, this is the teaching plan. Here you have to write the subject title on a piece of paper. What I mean is the teaching plan is supposed to be written on a piece of paper. You have to write the subject title, the topic to be taught, the lesson objectives, the teaching methods, teaching aids, the duration of the lesson, the grade, and the date. Following this will be the introduction of the lesson, the presentation, evaluation, summary, and conclusion. Now, during teaching, you will be more involved in the introduction, presentation, evaluation, summary, and conclusion. Now, I would like us now to dwell on these points, these 5, because this is where the practical part of teaching is. Now, let's begin with introduction. In introduction, you connect what the students know to what you are to teach. How is this done? You either use your teaching aid or you ask guiding questions that will guide them to what you have to teach. This will take approximately 5 minutes. Now, after this, move to introduction. A good introduction will take a good presentation will take at most 25 minutes. And here you are to present the new material you have prepared. Now, how is presentation done? Here you start from simple to complex after having defined some basic facts. What I mean is, you give examples starting from the simple ones and move gradually to the difficult one. This approach is referred to as teaching from simple to complex, or teaching from known to unknown. In the course of this presentation, in the course of teaching in this stage, the students are attentive. None of them writes anything. They will follow you up until you have taught to the end. They now tell and ask if they have any difficulties. If they don't have any problem, you now give them 5 minutes to copy all what you have written. After this is done, you move now to evaluation, which can take about 10 minutes. Here you give them exercises to solve. And as they solve, you move around to check those who have difficulties. And some will even indicate for you to correct them. As they indicate and you correct them, you now move to the board and solve the exercises to the entire class, because there might be some who will not indicate for reasons best known to them or because they are shy. And note that as you are evaluating, there are some fast learners who want to push you up to move ahead quickly. Note that you have two types of students, the fast learners and the slow learners. So you have to make sure you move at their pace. That's why I have said, after even the evaluation and observe and solve, you have to solve everything back on the board to make sure the slow learners and the fast learners are moving at the same pace. Now the next thing after evaluation will be summary. In the summary, you just give a rundown of what you have presented above, and make sure this rundown highlights your objectives. After the summary, we now move to conclusion. In the conclusion, you ask a few questions and verify whether the student actually understood what was taught. And here, you now give an assignment that they will take home to solve and bring back in the next class. And remember, you have to correct this in the next class as first thing before teaching, because this is where you continue with the evaluation. Here you evaluate yourself and the students. Be careful not to avoid this stage, because it is very, very important to enable you progress in your teaching. These are the few points I had about teaching of mathematics. In the next class, in the next video, I will talk on teaching methods and will give you some of the very good methods that can enable you teach mathematics for students to understand, and that will make teaching enjoyable. Thank you very much.